Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own mockup in Photopea, step by step, using free tools and simple techniques to bring your designs to life. Step 1. Open Photopea and drag the image into your workspace. Choose the rectangle tool from the left toolbar, and draw a rectangle where you want your design to appear. Pick any color you like for now. This shape will act as the placeholder for your mockup design. Step 2. Right-click on the rectangle layer in the Layers panel and select Convert to Smart Object. This step is important because smart objects allow you to add, edit, and replace designs easily within the mockup. Step 3. With the rectangle layer selected, go to Edit, then Transform, and choose Distort. Now adjust the corners of the rectangle so it fits the surface in your background image, like a laptop screen or a billboard. Step 4. Double-click the name of the shape layer and rename it to something like Place your design here. This helps you or others quickly know where to insert a design when using the mockup later. Step 5. To save your mockup for future use, go to File, then Save as PSD. This keeps all layers editable, so you can easily add new designs later without starting over. Step 6. To insert a design, just double-click the Smart Object layer that says Place your design here. A new window will open. Drag your logo or design into that space. Adjust the size, then go to File, Save as Smart Object, and close the window. Step 7. Go back to your main mockup and your design will appear exactly where you placed it. You can now export your mockup as a PNG or JPG to share it with clients or use in your portfolio. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more creative tutorials.